In this video, I'm going to make a green vegetable juice, and for this juice I've got green kale, I have some parsley, some mint and some cucumbers, and I'm going to sweeten up with some fruit. I've got the green apple and the kiwi. The kiwi, once peeled, is green. So I'm going to cut up all the vegetable and fruit and pass through my juicer. Vegetables and the herbs into the juicer. Rinse out the remainder of the juice from the machine with a glass of fresh water. To serve the green juice, pour into a glass and garnish with some fresh herbs. Enjoy.